Forgot your Q-See DVR password and locked out of your security system? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Q-See DVR password using the super password method.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, connect a monitor to your Q-See DVR and bring up the login screen. If you don't remember the password, look for the Forgot Password option. Some Q-See models may not display this option, but don't worry, we can still proceed. Make sure you have physical access to the DVR because you'll need information directly from the device. The super password method generates a temporary password based on the DVR's current date. On the login screen, carefully note the exact date displayed by the DVR. This is very important because entering the wrong date will generate an incorrect password. Write the date down exactly as shown on the screen. Now use the CCTV Super Password app to generate the super password. Enter the DVR date into the generator and create the temporary super password. Once the password is generated, return to the DVR login screen and enter the super password. If the generated password is correct, the DVR will grant access to the system. Some newer Q-See DVR models may use different security methods and may require a reset file or manufacturer assistance. If the super password method does not work, check your DVR model number and firmware version before trying alternative recovery methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.